Wait lang. Halak ka. Cut! Cut! Greetings! Rosy here! Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year! Hi everyone! Kamusta po ang Pasko ninyong lahat? Sana po ay masaya kayo and you celebrated it with your family and with your loved ones. To all na hindi alam, I am a nurse. I am an OFW nurse. I am working here in Saudi Arabia. And dito sa Saudi, alam niyong lahat na walang Pasko dito. But still, we managed to celebrate it with my friends, my workmates. 2 times kaming nag-celebrate. Sa Christmas Eve, 24, Noche Buena, ginawa namin dun sa work. Then, the next day, we had our dinner with my friends, my close friends here in Saudi Arabia. So, we celebrated in Piato, somewhere in Exit 5. And last night was wonderful. It turned out well. The dinner, the place is so pretty. We had so much fun. Vlog is about unboxing the present that I received last night. And it's beyond my expectation kasi wishlist ko lang is a little bit, and this vlog is what it's all about. We're going to unbox 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yes, it is Dyson Airwrap. So here it is. Na-unwrap ko na siya kagabi. I was so excited. So now let's open what's inside. Wow, it's really heavy. I need help. Ta-da-dang! So pretty. So here it is. Look. This is the opening here. And it's magnetic. Okay? So let's open. Oh wow. Ta-da! Here it is. Wow. Wow! Okay, so let's show you anong nandito sa loob. So first, this one. Ito yung basic nila. I don't know the name, guys. So, please forgive me because it's my first time also. Hindi ko alam ang mga tawag dito. So, first time ko dito and I don't know this stuffs. Okay? So, I'll definitely watch a video regarding how to use this thing. Now, I'm just going to show you what's inside my Dyson. So pretty. I believe this is the basic air dryer or something. And this one, oh, there's left and the right thing. I think I know somehow a bit about this one. Ito yung nagkukulot yung buhok mo. So, meron palang nakalagay dito. Ulitin natin. Take 2! Pinakitangad. Ito pala, ito yung pre-styling dryer. Copy natin ito. So, this is the pre-styling dryer. Butas siya. See, can insert my finger. 30mm Airwrap barrels. Ito yung 30mm Airwrap barrels. Wow. And this one, yung sinabi kong mas makapal. This is a 40mm Airwrap barrels. So, all for curls. And this one, soft smoothing brush. I know, sorry. Soft smoothing brush. So, the pink one. May pink siya dito. Firm smoothing brush. Firm yung walang color. And then, the last one na part niya, round volumizing brush. So, ito yun. Ito yung nilalagay nila dito. To create volume. So, and then, ito na yung ano niya, body. Lock, unlock. And then, yes, manual. Dapat dito tayo nag-start sa manual. See, what is this one? This is the filter cleaning brush. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's the part. That's all inside in this. We have 3 buttons here. Aside from this one, this is the open and release sa pagpapalit ng mga head niya. So here, this is the airflow control. 3 airflow speeds. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay? This is the temperature control. 2 heat settings plus a cold setting to finish your style. So, ito yung heat setting. 2 heat settings, and then ito yung malamig to finish the style daw. And this one, the last one in the center, ito yung on and off switch. So, ganyan na lang, on. And then, pull down, off. Example, this one. You need to put this one. Ganyan yung siya sa baba. And, that's it. And then, lock. Release. So, andito na siya. Lock na. So, para magtanggal naman, itong gagamitin nyo. Down again. Press down. And release. Removed. Okay? The change. Ganun din siya. Here. Press down. And so easy to change. That's easy din para magtanggal. Like that. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Definitely mag-upload ako for my next vlog how to use this thing. For now, I need to read the manuals. Bye guys! Merry Christmas again, and wishing you all a prosperous New Year. Bye! I've always wanted to try this. Oh my god, so here we go. Itong pinili ko kasi gusto ko ma-achieve yung artistang kulot. Oh my god. So, let's do this. Sabi doon, ilagay ito sa mataas, 3, pinakamalakas, and heat. So, there. Oh my god. And then, for 10 to 15 seconds, off. And then, release. Oh my god! It's too pretty! Oh my god! Alam mo, it's really working. Super straight talaga yung buhok ko and super mahirap siyang ikulot. But look! Wow! They're so pretty! I love this Dyson! Guys, bumili na kayo! It's worth it! It's worth the price! Expensive but, oh my god.